In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the IPO calendar on TradingView. This feature is extremely useful if you want to track upcoming IPOs, see which companies are going public, and stay ahead of major market events before they happen. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open TradingView in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the TradingView homepage or inside any chart, look at the top navigation bar. At the top of the page, click on Products. This opens a drop-down menu that lists all of TradingView's tools and data sections beyond just charts. From this drop-down, click on Calendar. TradingView groups multiple market calendars in one place, including earnings, economic events, dividends, and more. Once you're inside the calendar section, look for the option labeled IPO calendar and click on it. This will open a dedicated page showing upcoming, ongoing, and recently completed IPOs. Here, you can see important details like company name, exchange expected IPO date, status of the offering. You can scroll through the list or filter by date to focus on IPOs that matter to your strategy. This is especially helpful for investors and traders who want to prepare for volatility, new listings, or long-term investment opportunities. And that's it. You now know how to access the IPO calendar on TradingView and stay updated on upcoming public offerings. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.